Ampang. Thank you for using LRT Ampang Line.
Coach khas untuk wanita kini disediakan di laluan ini. Penumpang wanita dialu-alukan untuk memenuhi tempat duduk di coach wanita terlebih dahulu. Terima kasih. The women's only coach is now available on this line. Female passengers are encouraged to take the seats in the women's only coach first. Thank you.
Stesen Ampang.